I were given the opportunity to be the voice of domestic worker, I would dedicate myself to being a more involved and engaging leader. I would also prioritize fighting for the stolen rights of migrant domestic workers and participating in charitable work that benefit our community. I would encourage and empower my fellow, the Voice of Domestic Workers member, to take an active role in our mission, fostering a sense of unity and collective purpose. I would continue to collaborate with various foundations and organizations to improve care standards for victims of modern slavery and work towards eradicating this injustice in the UK and globally. Together, we can make a meaningful difference and create a brighter future for all the Voice of Domestic Workers member and those affected by modern slavery. I'll use my voice to support fellow domestic workers by sharing their stories and struggle to raise awareness and promote understanding. I also provide resources and connect them with organizations that can help. By amplifying their voices and mobilizing their support, I aim to create positive change and improve their working conditions and rights.